Hi. So, okay, I made a video a while back, but the video that one did not process. So, let me repeat again about SEO Yoast. How to optimize your blog to become SEO optimized. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, we are using SEO Yoast. Okay, so we have done the blog, we have done the featured image. Now we need to make sure that this is SEO optimized. Most clients are using SEO Yoast. So usually your client has already added this as a plugin into their WordPress account. You just need to add the focus key phrase, the the SEO title, the slug, and the meta description. Okay, so before when there are no chat GPTs and Geminis yet, we do a research for this using Google Keyword Planner. And we also do a lot of research for what is the best SEO title for blogs and then the meta description. Okay, we do this manually before, but right now, because we already have AI, then this can easily be done. Okay, now you remember the thread we have used for the blog? Okay, now you just continue using this, asking Gemini what is about your questions. First is to suggest a SEO slug. So the slug now becomes the URL of this blog. Okay, so the good thing about Gemini is that it is already Google. This is Google. So its recommendation, it's based on its Google algorithms already. Okay, so for this one, I'll take this. Okay, yeah, just pick what is best. Sometimes it also gives you what is the best URL. Okay, but since I have already this kind of URL in my past blogs, I'll just use this. Okay, and then for the meta description, you also ask Gemini to suggest meta description. Okay, but because I've been using this for blog writing already, it has already created the meta description for me. But if none yet, then you can say suggest meta description, suggest meta title. Okay, and then so once you have that, you copy and paste the meta description and the SEO title. Okay, and then next is the tags. What are the keywords tags that you are going to use for this? Okay, so for here, I just ask Gemini suggest SEO keywords right in one line with comma. Okay, because I'm really lazy, so that it will just do it for me, and then I'll just copy and paste this copy, and then go to your WordPress and then look for the tags here, and then just copy and paste the tags. Also, the categories, choose what is suitable for this article. For me, I have AI, tech, and virtual tips. So sometimes your client will not give you instructions for this already, so you decide, or otherwise, if they provided an instruction, then follow that. Okay, so now I have the SEO Yoast ready for this. The title is okay, and the meta description and the slug. Okay, so now this is ready to be published. Then you can click on publish. So I have already published this, so it's not showing, but click on publish, and then that's good to go. Now to view the blog, okay, let me just save. Okay, now you can view the post. It's either here. Okay, there. So that's already the blog. You have one published blog already. And now you can share this. This is now the URL. And this is the slug we used a while back. Okay, so now you know how to post a blog in WordPress.